CompTIA CASP Certification Training. Take your cybersecurity skills to the next level. CompTIA CASP certification is designed for professionals who want advanced cybersecurity expertise and leadership-level security skills. What is CompTIA CASP Advanced Level Cybersecurity Certification, focused on enterprise security solutions, trusted by security professionals worldwide. Advanced security skills you learn: security architecture and engineering, incident response strategies, governance and risk management. Learn with NYTCC. NYTCC provides flexible CompTIA CASP training with expert instructors, practical learning, and complete certification preparation support. What makes our training unique? Real-world cybersecurity scenarios, interactive practical exercises, flexible self-paced learning, hands-on cybersecurity practice, security operations simulations, enterprise risk management exercises, cryptography and security protocol training. Why choose CompTIA CASP certification? Strengthens advanced cybersecurity expertise, prepares you for enterprise-level security roles, helps you handle modern cyber threats. Career opportunities. CompTIA CASP certification helps professionals qualify for advanced cybersecurity and security leadership positions. Career roles: security architect, security engineer, IT security specialist. Start your CASP journey today. Advance your cybersecurity career with professional CompTIA CASP certification training from NYTCC. Visit the website to learn more and get started today. www.nytcc.net